Hi everyone, it's me, Kevin again. Okay, today we'll talk about the most frequent question we often get asked when the WhatsApp come in or the call come in. How much? Okay, MacBook cannot turn on, iMac cannot turn on, iPad, iPhone cannot turn on. How much to repair? Let me show you why it's so hard for us to quote a price on the spot, and we always say, can you bring for us to check, or we can collect from you so we can check? Because you can see, let me show you. This is a iMac logic board. This is bigger, so it's easy to show. Logic board means it's the motherboard. When something happened to the motherboard, usually they will cause the device unable to turn on. You see, there's so many chipsets. This is the front, this is the back. Alright. Either one of the chipset spoil, burn, overheat, or not working, they can cause the whole Mac, iPad, or iPhone not to be working. So if you ask us by call or WhatsApp, how much? We don't know what is spoiled or what is broken or what is not working. So we're unable to quote on the spot. Then some might ask, roughly. Very hard to roughly. You see, chipset all different pricing one because different. You see, this is the processor. This is the most expensive one. The cheaper one, you have power chipset, you have controller, you have heatsink, you have port here, you have RAM slot here. At the back, you have power line, shoulder chipset. Too many things going on, could be going on or not working at all. So that's why we say, please send to us to check first. Okay, you can help us and we'll try to help you back as soon as possible. Okay.